Hi guys, so I'm back and we're back to another product finds here in TikTok. Ito ipapakita kong product sa inyo. I've been using this since 2023. Kasama ko siya sa aking fitness journey. Okay, so this is the product. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? So if you're fan of Chris Cosmetics products, ayan, aware kayo kung ano tong product na pinapakita ko. Yung bagong launch tong product na 'to, trinay ko dito yung Berry Glow, I also tried yung coffee nila, Choco Blast, and then may bago silang variants today. And ito yun, yung pomegranate and milky mango. Ayan, so ang dami na lang flavors and ang sasarap talaga ng drinks na 'to. Maliban sa na-enjoy ko yung drinks na 'to, very healthy siya actually. Kasi it has no sugar. Ang ginamit nila dito is stevia leaves and napakababa nung calories nito guys. Like 40 calories lang siya. Ganun kababa. So perfect to kung ikaw ay naka-caloric deficit. Ang purpose ng product na to. So kung ikaw yung katulad ko, nahihirap mag-poops, so ito siya. Ito yung perfect product for you. And you know what, just to tell you, nakipag-agawan pa ako nito nung 6/6 sale kasi nga, bagong labas na product ng pomegranate. Plus, trinay ko din to, itong milky mango. Ayan, sobrang sarap niya. So, kung mahilig ka sa mga mango shake and nakaka-caloric deficit ka and para hindi ka mag-guilty, try mo tong product na 'to kasi ito ay 40 calories lang. Unlike kapag bumili ka talaga ng, mango shake, ang taas ang calorie nun. So, it's best for you to try this product na Milky Mango with 40 calories na. Ayan, and then actually marami pa silang product. I have here also yung Pure Collagen. Ayan, alam niyo naman kung para saan ang collagen, 'di ba? It's good for skin, nails, for your bones, and ang lakas niyang maka-glow. And this Pure Collagen by Chris Cosmetics, this is a marine collagen. So, sa isang pack, meron ng 150,000 mg. So, again, stevia leaves yung ginamit. It's keto-friendly. It's FDA approved. So, safe siya and healthy. And if you want to avail these products, just click the link below. And kung gusto mong makita yung mga reviews ng mga users nito, you can freely see the comments dun sa mga products na. So, ayun lang. So, thank you so much and please don't forget to follow my account for more product finds. Thank you!